Survival isn't child's play. It's a matter of life and death. Whether you find yourself battling the forces of nature or warding off hostile invaders, you must equip yourself for the worst. That's precisely why every individual should possess a cache of survival tools designed to guarantee your resilience and survival in any dire circumstance. In this video, we will show you 5 survival gadgets no one should be without. Number 5. The Wicked Laser Flash Torch. The flash torch is not just any flashlight, it's a survival tool renowned as the world's most powerful and brightest, with a stunning 4100 lumens of white light. This formidable gadget serves multiple purposes. It provides illumination in pitch-dark environments where electricity and other light sources are scarce, can be used for signaling or as a deterrent against potential threats with its intense beam. In addition, it's a crucial tool for survival as it can start fires for warmth, cooking, and water purification during camping trips or isolated situations. The flash torch's capabilities extend to igniting tinder, paper, dry grass, and even melting plastic or metal, and it can function as a makeshift stove to prepare meals. Also, it can serve as a means of self-defense when no other weapons are available, with the ability to burn or blind potential attackers, or cut through ropes and wires using its concentrated heat. This indispensable survival gadget can be acquired for $159 through their official website. Number 4. The TAQ Wallet. The TAQ Wallet is a versatile multi-tool designed to assist you in various survival situations. Equipped with a powerful LED flashlight, it can emit up to 150 lumens of light and features a safety strobe function for signaling help or deterring potential threats. The flashlight is conveniently USB rechargeable, offering up to 3 hours of illumination on a single charge. Also, it has an array of integrated tools, including a bottle opener, screwdriver, glass breaker, and a carabiner attachment site, suitable for opening, repairing, breaking, or hanging items. The bottle opener can also serve as a pry bar or scraper when needed. Despite its compact design, this wallet can hold up to 8 credit cards and cash securely. Constructed from robust materials like aircraft aluminum, stainless steel, and nylon, it's built to withstand impacts and resist corrosion. It also comes with RFID blocking technology that ensures the protection of your cards from potential identity theft. The TAQ wallet is also water resistant with an IPX2 rating, meaning it can withstand water splashes from any direction. It's also equipped with an automatic lockout mode to prevent accidental activation of the flashlight. This wallet is a versatile and dependable gadget suitable for individuals who appreciate preparedness in various situations, whether it's camping, hiking, traveling, or facing emergencies. You can purchase it for $74.59 on the QuickLight website. Number 3. Estream. Estream is not just a gadget. It's an ingenious tool that can be a true lifesaver in wilderness or remote areas devoid of power outlets or solar panels, ensuring you stay connected and informed during emergencies. This portable water power generator is designed to fit snugly into your backpack. Its primary function is to convert the kinetic energy from moving water sources into stored energy, which can then be used to charge USB-connected mobile devices. Whether it's your phone, flashlight, GPS, radio, or any other essential communication, navigation, or safety device, Estream has you covered. It's capable of generating up to 5 watts of power and can fully charge its battery in approximately 4.5 hours of exposure to running water. Additionally, it features a lantern function, providing much-needed illumination during nighttime or in dark environments. Estream is the ultimate companion for off-grid adventures, ensuring you have the power you need to stay connected and safe, even when you're far from civilization. Number 2. Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape. In the middle of nowhere, it's your go-to tool for repairing torn or damaged equipment like tents and tarps, ensuring your shelter remains intact. This heavy-duty tape also excels at sealing leaks or holes in your backpack or survival kit, keeping your gear dry and safe. But its utility extends far beyond simple repairs. In survival situations, it becomes a versatile resource. You can fashion it into cordage for various applications, from tying and binding to hanging essentials. It can serve as a makeshift fishing line, snare, or trap for securing food. In medical emergencies, it's invaluable for crafting butterfly bandages, arm slings, splints, or tourniquets. For essential survival needs, it won't disappoint. Use it as a makeshift drinking cup to collect and purify water, or take advantage of its heat-resistant properties to boil water over a fire. It even doubles as a signal mirror for attracting attention or signaling for rescue. And when it's time to start a fire, wrap some tinder around it and ignite. This waterproof duct tape features easy tear technology, eliminating the need for scissors or knives. Its compact, travel-sized roll easily fits into any backpack or pocket, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected in the great outdoors. Number 1. The Baja Shovel. The Baja Shovel is a remarkable multifunctional tool designed to assist in a variety of survival scenarios. Going beyond the capabilities of a typical shovel, it offers diverse functions packed within a single, compact, and durable package. Impressively, it offers a total of 21 tools and 31 functions. This remarkable tool allows for tasks like digging, cutting, chopping, and prying, thanks to its robust shovel blade. It's also equipped with a fire striker capable of generating sparks of up to 3,000 degrees Celsius, making fire starting in the wild a breeze. For alerting others or requesting help, the integrated whistle can produce a deafening sound of up to 120 decibels. In addition, the Baja Shovel features a sharp-tipped icebreaker located at the handle's end, suitable for breaking ice or glass. It even includes a screwdriver for tightening or loosening screws, a handsaw for cutting through wood or metal, and a built-in flashlight for illuminating dark environments or attracting attention when required. The Baja Shovel is truly a multifunctional marvel, designed to excel in various survival scenarios, making it an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and preparedness-minded individuals alike. What do you think about these gadgets? Let us know in the comments section below.